Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Mak Rozal. My matric number is S67497. Today, I would like to present my individual assignment in the subject ACT 3101. Therefore, let me explain this assignment briefly. Through the assignment, I was asked to prepare statement of cash flow for the year ended 31 December 2022 using either an indirect method or direct method for the company Rainbow Sindran Berhad. The company provide me comparative statement of financial position as at year end of 2021 and 2022, a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 2022, and additional information on current year transaction. So let me explain how I got the answer through the format I have prepared. First, to prepare a statement of cash flow, we need to write the name of the company at the top like this. The format will start with cash flow from operating activity, followed by profit before tax of 147,750, depreciation of equipment 51,000, loss on sale of equipment 6,600, loss on retirement of bond 1,650, and finally we get net cash from operating activities amounting to 207,000. If we can see, we can take all these items in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. Next, change in working capital. Increase in inventory as much as 19,050. This value is found through 312,000 minus 292,950. This value can also be found in the comparative statement of financial position. If there is an increase in inventory, then cash flow will decrease. Next, decrease in account receivable amounting to 11,400, which is 68,250 minus by 79,650. When there is a reduction in account receivable, cash flow will increase. Increase in prepaid expense of 3,900, which is 7,200 minus 3,300. If there is an increase in prepaid expense, then the cash flow will decrease. Decrease in account payable, which is as much as 9,900, which is when 57,600 minus 67,500. When there is a reduction in account payable, cash flow will decrease. And finally, we get a total of 185,550 when we add 207,000 minus 21,450. Next, cash generated from operation. Income tax of 26,100. We can find this amount through statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. We find income tax expense amounting to 27,450. Next, we look at the comparative statement of financial position. We find that the income tax payable in 2022 amounts to 10,200, and in 2021 amount to 8,850. So to get the amount of 12,100, we need to 27,450 add to 8,850 and subtract by 10,200, and we will get net cash from operating activity of 159,450 when 185,550 is subtract by 26,100. Next, cash flow investing activities. Sale of equipment amounting to 13,950. We can take this amount to additional information number one, which is equipment costing 42,750. We accumulate depreciation of 22,200 is sold for cash, and we can find it in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, that there is a loss on sale of equipment which is as much as 6,600. So when 42,750 is subtracted by 22,200 and 6,600, then we get a total of 13,950. Next, we will subtract the amount with the purchase of equipment of 21,000. We can find this amount in additional information number one, which is equipment costing of 42,750. This amount will be deducted from the subtraction between the amount of equipment in 2021, which is 293,400, and in 2022, which is 271,650. So when 42,750 is subtracted by 293,400 and 271,650, then the amount is 21,000. And when 13,950 is subtracted by 21,000, then you get net cash from investing activities, which is as much as 7,050. Next, cash flow from financing activities. The decrease in bond payable amount to 76,650, with 1,650 add to 75,000. Then we add between 27,500 and 76,650. We get net cash. We get net cash from financing activity of 114,150. So when 159,450 is subtract with 7,050 and 114,150, you will get a total of net increase in cash and equivalent 38,250. Payment for dividend, which is as much as 37,500. This amount is found because when we look at additional information number 6, retained earning is affected by declaration of dividend and net profit. So if we look at the comparative statement of financial position on the retained earning item, we find that in 2021, it is as much as 124,200, and in 2022 is as much as 216,000. And we also find the profit of the year in statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, which is as much 120,300. So we will make a calculation with 124,200 plus 120,300 and minus 216,000 and get a total of 28,500. Then the amount will be added with 9,000 found in the comparative statement of financial position on the dividend payable item in 2021, and we get a total 37,500. Next, we will add to the beginning balance cash and cash equivalent, which is as much as 47,850 found in the cooperative statement of financial position, which is cash in 2021. Next, we will get the ending balance cash and cash equivalent, which is as much as 86,100 by adding 38,250 and 47,850, and the value of 86,100 is the same as the value given in the cooperative statement of financial position on the cash item in 2022. So that's all from me. Thank you.